everyone. Oh, the lighting is actually not bad here. I am just in my car. It is Friday. Oh my gosh, voice crack. It is Friday and oh, thank goodness it is the weekend. Even though it was a short week, it felt so freaking long. I am picking up my mom. We are doing a mother-daughter lunch date. It's just gonna be one of those really nice, relaxing days. I did have another pimple flare-up on my forehead, which was very emotionally exhausting. I definitely was not feeling my best this week. I used the Nextcare pimple stickers religiously for the last 2 nights. It's helped kind of flatten out the pimples a little bit. I mean, you can still kind of see the bump and they're still quite red underneath, but if makeup can kind of cover it right now, I am content with that. It's when makeup is not even saving the day, that's when I want to cry. I'm finally here and I've been craving the raw beef for like months now, so I am so happy. You're pretty girl. Thrifting. UFC represent. Look at this. You can make like Chinese dandan egg dessert. So cute. And then, I don't know what I'm going to use this for, but this can be a very nice decorative piece. Thrifting 101. Absolutely not. This is not big enough for two of us. Are you actually getting it? Yeah. It is Wednesday and I'm so glad it is Wednesday because that just means we're so close to the end of the week. I have been so busy with work. So yeah. Oh, anyways, did end up doing another Sephora haul. I didn't order that much though. I just kind of like, I don't know why I did a second order, to be honest. I feel like the Asian in me, whenever there's a sale and it like a really good sale, I'm just like, I have to partake in it again and again, which is exactly what happened. I picked up 2 more Rare Beauty lippies. Honesty is my backup. That's kind of like my going out lippy. And then I got another one of Wonder, since I actually quite like that color that I got. That next up, I got another Dior blush. I figured it's time to kind of switch it up a little bit with my blushes. The coral that I have, it's quite muted. This is 061 in Poppy Coral. It's like a beautiful bright coral color. So I think this is gonna pop a lot. I ended up seeing these kits and I use the glycolic acid quite a bit. I kind of use it almost like a double cleanse too, and it helps with discoloration, and I find that it does clear my pores a little bit. It comes with a full size and a travel size, which is really handy. You know me, I'm probably gonna keep that travel size bottle because girl likes to hoard her travel bottles. Yeah. That's basically all I got. I will say I am pretty proud of myself this year. I don't think I splurged that much on random makeup. I don't even know why I would really splurge on makeup because I use the same products all the time. So yeah, that's about it. Oh, I didn't even see this side too. So cute. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna use this for sure. This literally has basically all my favorite instant noodles.
Paul is probably listening to
So hard to watch.
This is how Auntie spoils.
right hand. Tom Deluxe has Paul more than doubling Tyson in total punches left in his arsenal. Jake Paul going to be able to live the rest of his days. I beat Mike Tyson.
Did you know about that?
I'm a 54-year-old man, many of my 56
Good punch,
our ideas.